Yes, guys. Nous prenons boss là, nous allons aller. Mais mesdames, yo. Hey, guys. Nous allons aller. Yeah. Hey, Kayla. Yeah, nous avons boss là, nous allons aller. And nous avons fait route là, là. Nous allons aller pour nous enjoy. Enjoy. Là, même si nous pas ouais moi là. That's me. We're gonna have fun so today. Yes. Stay tuned. Fun na continue là. Nous allons monter très en l'air. On va passer en l'air, you know? Mais route là en bas. You see? Route là en bas là. Et puis nous-mêmes, nous allons aller là. Nous allons ensemble avec vous. Vous êtes contents? Parce que c'est pour mes parents. Mais il y a pas de l'air.
But what if till I fall?
Ok, guys.
And change.
Je vais brancher. Pas de plus belle bagaille toujours. Restez là. Ok? Toujours continuer à rester là. Parce que pas de plus belle bagaille toujours.
Maman,
Yeah. Christopher. Yeah. Monsieur, ma commune Alexandre, on perdu. Cathy, nous perdu. Yeah.
you guys will see where we're going when we get there.
Yes. Bien songé, nous, oui. Ouh. Yes. Nous, on l'a regardé en bas.
I'm
Nous,
so excited.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
I never went on it before.
Okay, so you're so happy today? Yes. And you, Kayla?
I'm so excited.
Okay. Stay here. You see, guys? Mais on va venir. You see? Comme ça, nous allons aller en l'air. Allez là. Yeah. Yes. Woo.
Let's go in the back.
Okay, come. Hurry.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yay! Guys, I'm so scared. Guys, I'm so scared. There are big roller coasters. And if you guys don't know where we are, can I tell them?
We're going to Coney Island.
Yes, so in New York City. Oh, look at these. There's this place called Coney Island where there's a lot of games and it's where the beach is. And we're going to the games. Last time we went to the beach, so now it's time for the games.
Oh my
And
God.
there's a lot of people here. This? Oh Lord. It's a lot of people here, guys. Look. I'm so scared, guys.
I'm not used to the sign. I thought I was blind, man. You know what's cheaper, man? Just $2 to pay $3.
I'm so scared, guys. I'm so scared. Wait, where do we go to buy the tickets or something? Okay, we're gonna go here. Oh my gosh, guys.
To see if the skills are still there. Due to COVID, we've been staying home and eating double. I want to buy you one.
Guys, look, look, look. I'm not going to that. She wants to. I'm not going there. Look at it.
Wonderland.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. It's a lot of people here, so sorry if you can't hear us.
Or you can just like put the writing thing.
I'm so excited, guys.
That's a big line there.
What do you say? Mom? Yes.
Disneyland? Walt Disney?
Yeah, Florida has Disney. Yes. Guys. No. Guys, where do we go?
So much fun.
Guys, it's a lot of music, so we'll be back. Sorry. Guys, we are about to go on this ride, our first ride, and it's about to start. They're over there.
They're over there.
And they're scared. It's gonna spin, guys. I'm so scared. I'm so scared, guys. I don't know where it's starting. I'm scared. They're over there. Wait, they're over there, and I'm so scared. But our first ride, guys. And this one, we're in like this thingy thing.
It will spin around.
Yeah, it spins and stuff.
One of our cousins, he said he's probably gonna fall.
Bomb, exactly. And there's like a lot of other rides over there that we're going to. So
It's so much fun.
I don't know when it's gonna start. It's about to start. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall. It's gonna spin us. Oh, it's not going up. So scared, guys. How are you? Good. It spins us around really fast. Oh my gosh. Guys, that was so scary. It spins us really fast. I think we're done. We're still wobbling. We're still wobbling. I think we're done. I think we're done.
Already?
That was fun. Like
I
ice
want to
cream.
go again.
We could go on another one. We could go on this one.
Oh my gosh.
Can you guys see it? This one.
Oh my gosh, no!
We're done. Let's go. See you guys on our next ride. See you on our next ride. Guys, I have a new partner and we're going on another one. Oh my God, it's good. Guys, this is another one that my baby sister is going in actually. We are too old for that, but we are very excited. This is on the next one we want to go. But see, so excited for her. Guys, they're about to start. They're about to start. They're about to start. Woo! They're starting. Oh, she looks so pretty. Bye. Oh, she likes it. She recommended it, guys. Oh, you see her? All the over there.
They don't go far.
Yeah, but it's for like little kids.
Why are people touching them? Where is she? Oh, there she is.
There she is. There's my baby sister. Woo! So nice. Where is she? Where is she? Oh, I see her. I see her. Hi. Where is she? Let's see if we can capture her, guys. I see her. Hi. She loves her pony. Woo! There she is. There she is. I think they're done, guys. I think they're done. Oh no, where are they? They're not here. Okay, guys. See you guys in our next ride. Going home and we had a fun day today, right?
Sleeping.
Yeah, she's sleeping. It's really cold and we're going home. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment for more fun little videos and vlogs. We had so much fun today, and we will be doing more of these videos, so give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to at least 200 thumbs up. That's all I'm asking for, at least 200 thumbs up, so we can go back again. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.